Hi friends, today I'm going to show you 3 different ways to cook a delicious salmon. All these 3 methods are unique and you can try them for the upcoming Valentine's Day. The first one was the pan-fried salmon, the second one is the poached salmon, and in the third one I have used an aluminium foil to cook the salmon with the vegetables. Each has its unique flavors and you will definitely love them. Hope you like them. Let's look at the ingredients. I have used 3 medium-sized fillets for each of the recipes. The first one, for pan fried, we need 1 teaspoon of turmeric, 2 teaspoons of coarse ginger and garlic, half chopped coriander, 1 teaspoon of chili powder. For the second method, we need half chopped carrots in circular pieces, some shallots, I've used about 5, circular cut lemon, and 1 teaspoon of pepper powder. And since we are going to cook it in aluminium foil, we need 1. For the third method, we need some peppercorns. I have used about 1 big tablespoon, 1 lemon cut like these in triangular pieces, some herbs. I have used parsley and some basil. And since we are going to poach the salmon, we need 2 cups of water. Let's look at the first method. I'm going to take a fork and poke the salmon like this on both the sides. We'll add the 2 teaspoons of ginger and garlic paste. Like I said, it's not completely paste, it's coarse. And some chopped coriander, turmeric and the red chili powder, and salt to taste. Nicely rub all those spices and coriander, ginger, garlic on both the sides of the salmon. This will take about a minute or 2. Add more coriander if you need to. Marinate for about 30 minutes or so. Now put the flame to medium high. I've taken a pan and I'm going to add about 3 teaspoons of oil. Once the oil is hot, drop in the marinated salmon. It smells so good. Now turn the flame to low and let the salmon cook on one side for about 3 to 4 minutes. Salmon becomes nice and crisp on one side within that time. Now we'll turn it over and similarly cook on the other side for 3 to 4 minutes. Do this carefully as the oil can, come on you, so do it carefully. Now it's been cooking for 3 to 4 minutes on the other side. We'll switch off the flame and serve it in a plate. I have taken some salad and will enjoy this with the salad. Look at that, so yummy. Now the second method is to cook the salmon in the aluminium foil. So keep everything aside, and first thing we are going to do is take the aluminium foil. If you're using heavy duty aluminium foil, you may not need to fold it, but since mine is on a thinner side, I'm going to fold it in half like this, and then I'm going to start the process. Place the salmon in between and we'll add the pepper powder on both the sides and some salt. Rub salmon with pepper and salt like this, and now let's start adding the veggies. Add the onion, the carrots, the lemon, and just repeat the same process. You can also add some other veggies if you like mushrooms, but these are the ones that I have used. Now we are going to fold it like this and let it marinate for about half hour. Take a pan and turn the flame to medium high. Add some oil, and once the oil is hot, we'll put in the wrapped salmon in the aluminium foil just like that. Cover it and let it cook on a medium-high flame for about 8 to 10 minutes on one side. It's been cooking for about 10 minutes, so let's turn it. Do this carefully and just give it a press like this. Turn the flame to medium-high and we are going to cook for about 6 to 8 minutes on a medium-high flame. After about 8 minutes, open it and you can feel the flavors coming in. Just flip it so that the top portion comes about just like that. Now switch off the flame and serve it hot. Do it carefully. We are going to let the salmon sit for about 5 minutes or so since the foil is too hot. After 5 minutes, let's open it carefully. Really yummy. I can feel the flavors of the shallots and the carrots. So let's open gradually. Look at that. The onions have become nice and caramelized. Be very careful. It's pretty hot. Wow. It looks delicious. Enjoy it with some salad and you will definitely love it. For the third method, I have taken a little deep bottom pan and I have put it on a medium-high flame. Add about 2 cups of water, and to the water we are going to add the peppercorns. Add all the remaining salt. Add the lemons. And now we'll add all our herbs. So we have some basil and some parsley. This is by far the healthiest method since we are not using even a single drop of oil. So once the water comes to a boil, we are gonna give it a stir and then we are gonna drop the salmon in this water. Make sure that the salmon completely immerses in the water, and we are going to cook it on a medium-high flame for about 10 to 12 minutes. Cover it and let it cook. It's been cooking for now about 10 minutes. Let's open and check. It's now well done. Let's switch off the flame. Take it out and serve it in a plate. An extremely healthy way of eating a salmon. It looks delicious and tasty too. Now that you have seen all the 3 methods, see which one suits you and try making it. And why just one? Just give all 3 a try and let me know how it works for you guys. If you've liked today's recipes, please don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. Thank you.